Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Let's quickly cut this elastic waistband. Okay, so to cut out this elastic waistband, you're going to measure the round waist of your skirt, your shorts, what have you. Okay, so if you're using an elastic waist of an elastic of 1.5 inches, you measure it. Okay, you measure 3 inches, you make it 4 inch. Okay, for joining allowance. So I'm making use of elastic of 2 inches, so the band um width is 5. Okay, so it is 5 inches wide. Now this is how I'm going to go about cutting my band. This is how you cut out the band that will fit. Sorry, this is how you cut out the elastic that will fit in the band. Okay, so this is what you do. You place your tape like so and pick your elastic and measure from the beginning to the desired length of your waist. Okay, and then you cut it out. Can you see? So just to be sure, can you see? Now the next thing I'm going to do is to fold my elastic like so, place it on top of each other. Can you see? Place it on top of each other like this, not so but this. Okay, and stitch it. You take your band, the same thing, you stitch it by 1/2 inch. Okay, now this is what you are going to do next. You are going to, after joining it, you are going to make sure that your elastic is sitting inside of your band. Okay, making sure that it is not bending. So you sew by that 1/2 inch that you have there, and make sure you're not sewing on the elastic, otherwise it is not going to move. Okay, so after joining this elastic, you stretch it out, make sure that it's not bending anyway. Can you see? Now you go ahead and sew at the middle to give that fancy look. Okay, you can do two lines. Okay, you can do one line, depends. So I'm just doing one line. Okay, at the middle. So this is it. This is the outcome. It's very easy. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and share. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.